Hello and welcome to another video here on a humble unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Eagle Creek compression cube set ML. It's a pack of 2 of these compressionable bags, and I want to get into them. So this is the size M for medium, and this is the size S for small. Yeah, so let's unzip one. If I can manage to do that with one hand. Just takes a while, right? What? And here we go. So you can open it like this. It's not fully clamshell that you can open it completely. Doesn't make a huge difference. You can still pack all of your things in here all the way down. Now the interesting part is there is not only one, but there's a second zipper that you can see here, which is kind of a 360-degree zipper that goes around. More than once, actually more than 360, and you can basically chug a whole lot of things in here in this bag. You see the side panel is quite deep, has quite a good depth, and you can chug this full, like on the whole side. So it's basically like, well, what should I call this, like a little cake, and then you can compress it down with this zipper down here, and then it should look like this one here, which is fully zipped up. So you see there is no like middle part like it is here. You can compress it down to save a lot of space. The quality of the material, as far as I could see, is really good, but it's also ultra light. So they are so light, it's unbelievable. I'm not sure how light they are, but they not really make a difference in your bag, and you can focus on what's inside. So yeah, these are the Eagle Creek compression cube set M or SM. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and support this channel by subscribing. Hope you have an amazing day, and bye bye.